Hello everyone, welcome back to ENG Talk Room. Today we are going to learn capital and small letters in English. Yes, this is a basic topic, but it is very important for correct writing and speaking. Let's start with a simple question. What are capital letters? Capital letters are also called uppercase letters. For example, A, B, C, D. They are bigger in size. And what are small letters? Small letters are also called lowercase letters. For example, A, B, C, D. They are smaller in size. Now the important question is, when do we use capital letters? We use capital letters at the beginning of a sentence. For example, this is a book. We also use capital letters for names, like Rahul, India, English. Days and months also start with capital letters. For example, Monday, January. What about small letters? Small letters are used in normal writing. Most words in a sentence use lowercase letters. Let's look at an example. My name is John. Here, M and J are capital letters, and the rest are small letters. Many learners make mistakes by using capital letters everywhere. That is not correct. Yes, we should use capital letters only when needed. Otherwise, use small letters. Let's do a quick practice. Repeat after us. This is a book. My name is Alex. Today is Monday.
Great job. Practice writing sentences daily. If your writing is correct, your English will look more professional. Thank you for listening to ENG Talk Room. Keep practicing and keep improving. Subscribe for more English learning podcasts.